Hey there guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech, and in this video, we are going to do an unboxing of Stuffcool Qi certified wireless charger. Now here's the box. This is available for 1999 rupees and you can buy it on the official website stuffcool.com. They also have free shipping on orders above 399 rupees. Now this is how the box looks like. It has branding on top and there's a preview of the charging pad. Towards the bottom, it says Qi certified and there is the model number WC630. It says 15 watts fast wireless charger with 18 watts USB wall charger. It has few highlights also: Type-C connector, output levels, foreign object detection, over voltage protection. Now on the back it has some features. It also has input-output levels and some other information. Now let's unbox this. First we have the wireless charging pad. Next we have the 18 watt charger. Next we have the Type-C charging cable. Next we have the documentation. Now let's have physical overview. This charging pad is pretty sleek and it is very light in weight and it looks very plain and minimalist. On top there is a plus sign in the middle where you can place the phone or wireless earbuds case, and rest is completely plain and smooth. On the bottom there is rubber padding and there is also vents to keep the charging pad cool. In the middle there is branding and some other information. On the front there is an LED light. On the back there is Type-C port. Now I've tested it with AirPods and mobile, and it works nicely for both of them. Now this comes with 18 watts charger out of the box, so that's pretty great. This charging pad gives output of 5, 7.5, 10 and 15 watts, and it is compatible with almost all Qi enabled devices. On the website it says it gives 15 watts output for LG, 10 watts output for Samsung, 7.5 watt output for iPhone, and 5 watts output for any other Qi enabled devices. For 7.5 watts to 15 watts output, you need to use charger that's QC 2.0 or 3.0, which is 10 watts or above. For 5 watts output, you can use any wall charger. Now this one also works with cases. The case thickness needs to be under 6 mm and it should be without any metal object. That's pretty much it for this video. What do you think about this wireless charger? Do let us know in the comments down below. And if you have any questions or queries or suggestions, tweet out to us with hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter, and we'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.